Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the chest fill detector from the Fant Mod, which reads, chest fill detector will return an output signal if the fill amount of the chest slots is more than the fill percent that is set with the slider. A logic gate in between if you want to power other components. So it basically tells you in a percentage if a chest is full. We can run over here. As we can see, we have a small, smart, and a large container, a gas canister, a miner, and even a resource collector, and it works on all of them. So here we have a 100% full chest. This is looking for a 100% full, and it's on. This is also looking for a 100%, but this is only 50% full, so it's off. If we lower this to like 55, it turns on. This one is under 50%. So we can go down till it turns on. It works on the gas container, as we can see, 100%, it's full. The resource collector, if I pick up a piece of wood here, it turns off. I have it set to 80%. Off. Now it's on. It also works on the miner. As we can see, there is stuff in the miner and it's turned on. It's looking to see if it has anything inside. I take out the contents, it turns off. It works on miners. It's more named just a fill detector because it works on pretty much anything that has an inventory component. So it works on things like the sunshake machine. We can see here if I take some things out of the sunshake machine and lower this to 100%, it turns off because it's not full. And I can just put anything in there, turns on. The fridge, the smart fridge, I forget what these are called, but the lockers, it even works on components. So this requires batteries. This is checking to see if it has anything in there. If I was to type fill to fill this with batteries, it turns on. Got batteries in there, it's turned on. Blue clam tanks has an inventory, so turned on because there's something inside of it. If I was to up the percent, or if I was to lower it back down and take out the clam, turns off. Pigment flowers detects if something's in there. Now it's off. And with things with a double inventory, it sort of chooses which one it detects. So the beeswax has the wax output and the food input. It doesn't detect the output, but if I put food in there, it does detect the food. So you can also use it on things like the beeswax. So it's actually very powerful and can be used with anything that has a container. That means it would also work on a harvester. What is it called? A refine bot. If I grab a refine bot out here, just throw it next to this, I'd be able to place a chest fill detector sensor at it. Oh, they're not classed as the same. That's right on the back there. And set it to have 0, and for some reason the refinery is not picking up out of this. Oh, there we go. It was too far away. So now if we get the chest fill detector, you can see it went blue. That means it detected something in there. Speaking of which, that's the other good thing about these. They don't have to be on the same contraption. You can see here, I have this separated, and as it goes along on the pistons, we have a 50% full down here and 100% full at the top. That's why they're both lit up here, because it's over 50 and 100. Only the 50 is lit up here and neither here, because this is under 50%. So you can do some really cool stuff, and I hope this helped you understand the fill detector a little bit more. Thanks for watching.